Dear students, today consider some formula of integral calculus. In integration, when you have to solve integral problem, we always use the formula of differentiation, formula of integration. Now, without formula, we can't solve any problems of integral calculus. So first we have to know formula, next we shall solve the integral problems. Now, I want to write all the formulae of integral calculus. So this first formula is number 1, integration x to the power n dx. This equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Number 2, integration dx equal to x plus c. Number 3, integration dx by x is equal to log modulus of x plus c. Number 4, integration dx by root x is equal to 2 times of root x plus c. Number 5, integration dx by x to the power m is equal to minus 1 by m minus 1 x to the power m minus 1 plus c. Number 6, integration e to the power mx dx this equal to e to the power mx by m plus c. Number 7, integration e to the power x dx, if you putting m equal to 1, then this equal to m1, then you get x plus e to the power x plus c. Number 8, e to the power minus x dx, this equal to minus e to the power minus x plus c. Number 9, integration a to the power x dx, this equal to a to the power x by log a base e plus c. So now we consider number 10, formula number 10. Integration, this formula number 10, integration sin mx dx, this equal to minus cos mx by m plus c. Number 11, integration sin x dx, this equal to minus cos x plus c. Just be putting m equal to 1, here m1 we get cos x. Number 12, integration cos mx dx, this equal to sin mx by m plus c. Integration cos x dx, this equal to sin x plus c. Number 14, integration sec square mx dx, this equal to tan mx by m plus c. So sec square mx dx equal to tan mx by m plus c. So integration sec square x dx equal to tan x plus c. Just taking m equal to 1, we get this one. Number 16, this is cosec square mx dx, this equal to minus cot mx by m plus c. Number 17, this is cosec square x dx, this equal to minus cot x plus c. So number 18, integration 1 by root over 1 minus x square equal to sin inverse x plus c, or this can be minus cos inverse x plus c. Integration 1 by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x plus c, or minus cot inverse x plus c. So integration 1 by x, this is dx, you have to write dx 1 by x square root over x square minus 1, this is sec inverse x plus c or minus cosec inverse x plus c. So these are 20 number formula. Now 21, integration 10x dx, this equal to log modulus of sec x plus c. 22, integration cot x dx equal to log modulus of sin x plus c. So number 23 number, we consider integration sec x dx, this equal to log modulus of sec x plus 10x plus c, or we can write log mod 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Log 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus c. Number 24, integration cosec x dx equal to log modulus of cosec x minus cot x plus c, or we can write log modulus of 10 x by 2 plus c. Modulus of 10 x by 2 plus c. So these are the formula. So dear students, today we ending up to 24 number formula. Next video we shall discuss the remaining formulae. So you have to by heart this formulae. Without formula, integral calculus is very difficult. So dear students, just you have to by heart the formula. Thanks.